Okay, check out this loud buzzing sound. It seems to be coming from the rear of the machine. I'm just going to turn the power on at the wall. It's very loud. Doesn't sound like a capacitor. Something is buzzing very loud there. Seems to be the motor there. When I turn the motor, changes the buzzing sound. Turn it on. If I type in local, very upset. You can still hear the buzzing sound. If I switch it off, you'll hear it even louder. And if I move the motor, well, before it stopped the noise a bit, something is definitely buzzing around there. Anyway.